Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Thursday, May 21st, 2026, your daily market intelligence simplified. U.S. markets surged Wednesday on breakthrough hopes in U.S.-Iran peace talks. The S&P 500 climbed 1.08%, while the Nasdaq jumped 1.66%, led by technology and small-cap stocks. Oil tumbled nearly 6% to $98 and 26 cents as tankers crossed the Strait of Hormuz for the first time since February. Lower energy prices lifted airlines and travel stocks sharply. Bond yields dropped as inflation fears eased, with the 10-year Treasury falling to 4.568%. Markets largely ignored hawkish Fed minutes, focusing instead on the prospect of Middle East stability. The CPU revolution took center stage this week. ARM Holdings surged 14% on Bank of America's forecast that ARM-based chips will capture 44% of the CPU market by 2030, driven by a $125 billion opportunity in agentic AI workloads. AMD also jumped 14% as the CPU trade reactivated. Intel's CEO revealed that agentic AI is shifting workloads back to CPUs, with customers now deploying one CPU per GPU for inference, versus the old 1-to-8 ratio. Intel itself climbed 7% on the same catalyst. In the AI infrastructure space, Astera Labs rocketed 17% higher on Trainium momentum and positive CFO commentary, while Marvell gained friend after Wells Fargo raised its price target, citing AWS Trainium deployments and rising AI interconnect demand. Let's look at where the money is really flowing. Since the S&P's March 30th low, technology ETFs have absorbed over $20 billion, while every other sector combined has lost $334 million. That's an extraordinary concentration of capital into a single corner of the market. Today's chip rally, with ARM and AMD breaking out ahead of Nvidia's earnings, fits perfectly into this pattern. When investors are buying, they're buying tech exclusively. The question now, can this narrow leadership sustain the broader market? Or are we building fragility into the rally? Looking ahead, investors should watch several key events on May 21st. Walmart and Deere report earnings pre-market, providing crucial insights into consumer spending and industrial demand. We'll also see important economic data releases, including U.S. weekly jobless claims, global S&P flash PMIs for May, and EU consumer confidence indicators, all vital gauges of economic health. Additionally, Banxico Minutes will offer perspective on Mexican monetary policy. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.